Welcome back to the Better Bros of Moore Park. We're out here, we're checking out some cool scenery and doing a little bit of working out. I'm gonna show you how to get pumped, bro. You wanna get pumped like me? You wanna be a cool bro? Well then follow me and we're gonna show you how to get it done.
Where's your skateboard, dude?
Dude, you know it broke.
How'd you break it?
I mean, I snapped it in half over my head. Yeah, bro, after I had a course light. Yeah! Whoa.
Dude,
Have you ever seen that truck before, bro?
it's a sweet truck, bro.
Whose truck is this, bro? Dude!
Dude,
Is this stock?
this is Trail Boss.
Dude, the Trail Boss! What is the Trail Boss, bro?
Trail Boss!
I need this truck, bro.
Welcome to Throttle Report. Today we have a 2020 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. It's got a 6.2 liter V8 engine and a 10-speed automatic transmission.
Yeah, and actually what's new about it is it's the EcoTech 3 motor. So this is completely new motor, and I think you were saying it's a completely new chassis as well.
Yeah, exactly. It's a whole new platform.
Yeah, and we were riding around earlier in it, and I'm coming from a 20-year-old truck, so to me this is just completely insane. The way it rides, it rides like a freaking Mercedes or something compared to the way my truck does. So, I'm super impressed with, just really everything about the truck.
For me, coming from the previous platform, the body roll, it feels super stable. The suspension feels super improved.
That's what it feels, similarly planted to how like the Denali SUV does.
Correct.
You can launch it through bumps and everything, and it sucks it right up. You can barely feel it. You hear it more, I think, than you even feel it.
Agreed. And the transmission shifts are way smoother than mine. Mine's the 6-speed.
Smooth.
This one's the 10-speed.
Well, then even the 7-speed or 8-speed, I guess, that the Denali that we had.
8-speed.
The 8-speed, like that thing was very clunky. And
So what's your favorite thing about this truck?
Honestly, this truck has taken me a long time to get used to. It's very different. I think they kind of went the path of making it look like everybody else's truck.
It looks like a Tundra.
All trucks look the same now.
F1 Tundra.
Yeah, Tundra. Pretty much. There's so much about the trucks that all look the same now. There's no like individual. And I think the one thing that I really don't like is that they got rid of the classic Chevy kind of more square tubs. Like actually, if we look over at our Tahoe over here, yeah, the square. They've always had the more square like rear wheel like that. And over here they went to just
around. Well, it's like
what
Ford.
Everybody does. Yeah. And I think that's more than anything. I think that's what really takes away the identity of this truck.
I will say though, like the front end is growing on me, especially on this model where it's all black.
When it's all black, it does look pretty good.
I think it looks a lot better.
Like the one that's red and has like the plastic pieces, that looks cheap, but this does look pretty good.
No, it looks mean. And this one from the factory comes 2 inches higher.
From the factory with a 2-inch lift and Z71 suspension and whatever, I guess, skid plate package.
And the sound's incredible. This one's got the performance package, so it's got the air intake.
Yeah, and it has the Borla exhaust from the factory, which, what did that cost, like $1,600 or $1,700?
Yeah, it's on the build sheet.
I guess that's not too bad for a catback exhaust, but...
Why don't you show them that air intake?
Yeah, and then from the factory, it comes with a cold air intake, which is pretty cool. And then what I really like about that, the gas shocks on this, man. Remember, we just did the Sprinter review recently, and for a Mercedes, that not having gas shocks and then coming...
Well, it had a single little latch.
Yeah, a single little one, yeah. And then this, you pop the latch and the gas shocks push it up by itself. That's how it should be.
No, it's nice.
Very nice. And then if we look and check it out in here, actually the engine looks like it's sunk back quite a bit more than they have been in the past. I think it's pretty interesting. That's going to help with like center of balance and everything. Probably helps with why the truck drives so nice as well.
Well, and the suspension, you don't have so much weight hanging over the front.
Over the front. Yeah, absolutely. No, Chevy did a nice job. And then what was it you were saying about these? These are new, right?
Yeah, these the frame rails that are coming out here at an angle, and the older trucks they are more squared. But I think they angled these for those.
The side crush rating, or what is that called?
No, it's like a partial front impact or
partial front. Okay.
Yeah. Oh man, now it's forgetting.
But so pretty much they added this in just to help with that one crash test rating.
Yes.
What's that crash test called, TR?
It's called a small overlap. So what would happen is if you're driving the truck and say you hit a telephone pole right here on the edge of your truck, just barely clipped it, it's supposed to go in and bounce off of this
so instead
and
of
deflect.
tearing the whole front off,
correct.
It'll save and you'll just have to replace that one part there.
Well, if you hit a telephone pole, you're probably going to total the truck. But yes, it'll save the occupant. Ideally, yes.
Truck is rad, bro. Wow. Electric steering wheel. Dude! Coors Light, bro!
Yeah!
Yeah! I don't know whose this is, but this bro just hooked us up.
Yeah. Somebody's already had to.
Yeah. Bro, we found this rad Trail Boss 2020 and it's got, bro. What do you mean, your truck, bro? My truck, bro. Drinking my beer, bro. It's my beer now, bro. What are you gonna do about it? You wanna bro off, bro? Bro off.
It's on like Donkey Kong.
What's up, bro? Let's fucking... What's up, bro? Let's go, bro. Yeah, bro. Got your keys now, bro. Let's go, TR. It's time to get this truck going. Out of respect, I'm gonna leave him the beer, bro. Bros. Simi trucks. Let's get out of here, bro. Man, they're all empty. Everyone. No! Why?
That way or?
Yep, this way. So kind of go that way. No, keep coming tight. Good. You got 2 feet. 1 foot. Silent. Let's see what that looks like.
Another cool feature about this truck is the electronic tailgate. So you just tap the button, stand back, and down it comes.
Hey.
What up, Joe Exotic?
What's up?
Bro Exotic here.
Bro Exotic.
We're here just getting it done in this new Chevy, brother.
So, why don't we talk about the bed in here? How much room they've given? So in the previous truck years, the bed would come out to about here, and now they've been able to push it back.
Yeah, as they say, this bed has 20% more room than some of the competition. So.
And they integrated the
Lots
lights
of room.
into the side here. In my model, it's up underneath the rail, and on these ones, I guess they decided to put it right
Well,
here.
I like that they have like a bed liner in it already too, so you don't have. I mean, this truck's set up.
Yeah,
from the
ready to
factory.
go.
They really did do a nice job.
And
with
you
this.
got the,
And then DC or AC power in the back here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's
Yeah.
really nice. Probably copied Toyota on that, but I'll take it.
Hey, someone's got to do it first, right?
That's it. Why don't we check out the inside of the truck?
Goddamn trail bastard.
in here and check this thing out, man. Talk about space. Like, I mean, I know you've got, whatever, the 2014.
Yeah.
That was pretty spacious, but, dude.
This feels like it has at least like 4 inches more
I feel like I'm a
of
child.
room inside. Well, yeah. And the headspace is nice. They made this, you know, for taller people.
Yeah, for people not like me.
That's it.
Yeah, no, I think if our bearded compadre were here, he could probably even sit back here.
Oh, easily.
Yeah.
No, this is huge back here.
Huge cabin, lots of space. I think the one thing I've always liked about Chevy is their rear seats have always been like more comfortable than any of the other brands.
Oh, 100%.
It's like Ford has always been super like just pretty much sitting on a bench.
Well, and the angle is weird on the
angles
seats.
were always funky. Like this is comfortable. The seat's plush. Whatever. I mean, I don't know if this is real leather, if this is fake, but it feels nice. It's comfortable.
Well, and the
Obviously,
headrests are massive.
spacious.
They got like actual appropriate sized headrests, which is nice. And then they have air vents back here. So the previous model years did not have air vents in the back.
Oh, yeah, I know that. My dad's Denali.
Yeah.
Did not have
Yeah,
any.
same
I
as
thought
mine.
That was the worst decision they had ever made.
Yeah, because your 99 has it.
Yeah, and it's massive. And you're sitting back here with, I mean, especially even bigger now. Mine's only the 2-door.
Yeah.
So, and that has air. This with the 4-door, and they don't have air in them.
No, yeah.
That was crazy. So
And it's nice they added a
good they
USB
put
back
that
here.
USB, and they got a USB-C. That's pretty cool.
And the DC.
So, lots of power.
Well, and these floor mats are nice. You know, I had to go out and buy the WeatherTechs
Yeah,
to cover
these
up the
are
carpet.
stock?
Yeah, these are stock.
Really? Wow. Well, that's cool. They're finally actually stepping the game up then.
Stepping it up.
Good on you, GM. Got some things right, got some things wrong. But I like it.
It's interesting how on this door panel they've extended this section out really far. I guess to give you room in these pockets here, maybe to fit a, I don't know, bag, small child.
Dude, bro, I think you could fit like at least
And
a
then pop-
six-pack right here, bro.
Right, pop the seat, pull the seat up. There's storage underneath the seats, and that was an option as well. Whoa! Check that out.
We didn't even know about that.
We did not.
Check that, hidden storage. Dustin, what are you hiding in here?
What in the world is in that
Dustin,
bag? What you got?
you better
Dude,
tell
that's
me
a
what you
decent size like compartment.
No, that's cool. It's just like there's space right there that
I
would've
mean,
been
might as well, yeah. It's not
empty.
being used for anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, pull the seat up. Just lift up on the seat.
How do they look?
Just lift up. No, down
do you-
here.
down
Just
here?
pull the seat cushion up.
Oh,
Yep.
wow, okay. So that gives you, what are probably tools down here? Yeah, all your
Yeah, more storage.
storage, and it's got your tools to change your tire and everything, your jack.
I'm sure
That's
JL
cool.
Audio or somebody's going to make a stealth box
Oh,
for
yeah,
that.
for
Just
sure.
Drop it right in. It's nice to be able to put the stuff in there, but when I go dirt bike riding, normally I put the third gear bag in there,
Yeah.
and I guess you'll just have to stick it on top of it.
Yeah, if you didn't, or if you need the space, I guess that takes up a lot. But
Yeah.
if you don't, it gives you a lot of storage and it keeps everything kind of clean. And
Yeah, it keeps it
tucked
from
away.
rolling around.
Yeah.
All right, bros. Thanks for coming and checking out the 2020 Trail Boss with us. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe, bro.
Those are 5 pounds. You're not using the 45?
Dude, you pick up the 45s. They're heavy.
Whoa, it is heavy.